Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of September 2nd, 2021. The first question is, which of the following organization has launched a strategic campaign titled #Follow Payment Distancing? The options are A. Visa, B. RuPay, C. American Express, and D. MasterCard. And the correct answer is B. RuPay. RuPay has launched a strategic campaign titled #Follow Payment Distancing to promote and encourage contactless payments among customers. The second question is, which of the following becomes the only state in India where all three species of crocodiles found? The options are A. Karnataka, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Odisha, and D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is C. Odisha. Odisha's Kendrapara became the only district in India where all three species of crocodiles found. Three species of crocodiles in Odisha's Kendrapara was saltwater, gharial, and magar crocodiles. The third question is, which of the following organization is set to acquire the Indian digital payments provider Bill Gates for $4.7 billion? The options are A. PayU, B. Razorpay, C. American Express, and D. Apple Pay. The correct answer is A. PayU. PayU is set to acquire the Indian digital payments provider Bill Gates for $4.7 billion. The fourth question is, who among the following becomes first Indian star to launch NFT collection? The options are A. Boney Kapoor, B. Tony Screwvala, C. Ranbir Kapoor, and D. Amitabh Bachchan. The correct answer is D. Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan becomes first Indian star to launch NFT collection. NFTs developed by Hiti Entertainment in collaboration with Godlink.io. The fifth question is, who among the following has been appointed as a non-executive director by HFBC Asia? The options are A. Shaktikanta Das, B. Shantilal Jain, C. Rajnish Kumar, and D. Dinesh Kumar Khara. The correct answer is C. Rajnish Kumar. Rajnish Kumar has been appointed as a non-executive director by HFBC Asia. And the sixth question is, who among the following has become the costliest player in the history of PKL auction? The options are A. Rohit Kumar, B. Rahul Chaudhary, C. Anup Kumar, and D. Pardeep Narwal. The correct answer is D. Pardeep Narwal. He was bought by UP Yoda for 1.65 crores. The seventh question is, in which of the following states Poshan Abhiyan was launched to create the awareness and demand for nutrition? The options are A. Rajasthan, B. Delhi, C. Punjab, and D. Assam. And the correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Government of India started the National Nutrition Week commemoration in India in the year 1982. Since 2018, every September, the country has been celebrating Poshan Ma to help create the necessary awareness and demand for nutrition. Poshan Abhiyan was launched by the government in 2018 from Junjunu, Rajasthan. Poshan is nothing but the Prime Minister's overarching scheme for holistic nutrition. The eighth question is, which of the following navies conducted their first eve naval exercise off the coast of Algeria? The options are A. Thailand and Algeria, B. India and Algeria, C. Pakistan and Russia, and D. India and Finland. And the correct answer is D. India and Algeria. India and Algeria navies conducted their first ever naval exercise off the coast of Algeria. The exercise reflects increased maritime cooperation among two countries. INS Tabar represented India, while Algeria was represented by its naval ship ANS Azagir. And talking about Paralympics 2020, Singh Raj Adana wins bronze in men's 10 meters air pistol SH1 event at Paralympics. This is India's second medal in shooting event at Tokyo Paralympics 2020. Mariyappan Thangavelu wins silver in the men's high jump T63 event at Paralympics. This is Mariyappan Thangavelu's second Paralympic medal, whereas he won gold in 2016 T42. Mariyappan becomes third Indian to win 2 or more medals in Paralympics. And Birendra Singh Bedi won 1 silver and 2 gold. Devendra Jajaria won 2 gold and 1 silver. Sharad Kumar wins bronze in the men's high jump T63 event at Paralympics. India won 10 medals in these Paralympics, 2 gold, 5 silver and 3 bronze medals. First time in history, India medal count in double figures in Paralympics. The one-liners today are: Amit Rohidas honored by the Odisha government with the Biju Patnaik. NMDA and IIT Roorkee has developed an app to predict natural disasters. Sanjay Arora takes charge as new DG of Indo-Tibetan Border Police. 9 new Supreme Court judges take oath in a single stroke for the first time. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your thoughts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.